It's only 9:30 in the morning, and it's pretty choppy. So, and it's windy too. Been doing this for the last 3 hours. Trying to get back home. Got the motor on and paddling. Freaking swells are huge, and it's choppy as hell. Yeah. Let me turn this thing around. So some of you may wonder why I didn't slow down the kayak so that I don't get splashed. It is because I was going 1 mile per hour, and if I had slowed down any further, I wouldn't make progress, meaning as you can hear the wind, the gust in the background, and also what you don't really see is the current. I was going against the current. So if I was going any slower than 1 mile per hour, I would not make any progress. I would be going backwards. So that's the reason why I had the motor turned on to the max, and I was paddling. So, yeah, I tried everything, that would prevent taking on a lot of water. But, it's just when you're in this kind of condition, there's just no way around it other than just staying at home. But, yeah, so this is the price I pay for, I guess, trying to make content. but I think my yak power burned out. My fish finder is no longer working, and I smelled smoke. So finally made it inside the harbor. Well, still at the mouth of the harbor, but I think I'm going to be safe from here. Knock on wood. Huntington Beach is too crazy. That part where Sunset Beach is, too crazy. Yeah, so wasted the whole day today. Went all the way to the Huntington Beach Pier. Wind started to pick up like this, and then I head back right away. Cause yeah, I probably wouldn't recommend. If you're new to kayaking, I don't recommend launching out of Huntington Beach. That was the craziest kayak ride back ever that I've ever had. I thought that night in San Clemente was worse, but I think this was much worse. I'm going to show you guys how much water is inside the kayak from all the water splashing on. So yeah, I saw the lifeguards were running around like headless chickens. Orange County sheriffs were running around. And I think there were a few folks that probably needed rescue. Alright, so there's not much water in the kayak, and I guess some of the wires were touching the water, so it shorted. Anyway, I think the yak power is burned out because I smelled smoke earlier, but I'm gonna see if I can you know, dry it up and fix it. So we'll see what happens, but thanks for watching.